A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their mathematics class. Dear Goenkans, today the topic of our class is more division. That is chapter number 7 and you can find it on page number 93. With this activity, with this class today, you will be able to solve the division problems and you will be able to draw the division symbol, write down the different parts of division, that is dividend, divisor and quotient. You have to do the given activity in your maths notebook as shown. For this activity, the things you will need is color pencil, sketch pens, glue stick and a white craft paper of A4 size. You will understand the activity, build the concept, then you will draw it on the craft paper, do the cutting accordingly and paste it in your notebook very neatly. So basically today we are going to learn the tricks of division vocabulary. Frame a division word problem of your own. Let it be 24 divided by 6. Recall the table of 6. 6 what makes 24? 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24. Use tables. Okay, this is basically a division problem. You know, division sign is like a house. There is a large number staying in the den. This is the den and the large number that sits here is called dividend, where here is the den word. And which is the large number you will make to sit here? That is 24. 24 is the dividend. Okay, so this is the den. It is the number, dividend is the number that will be divided. Okay, then there comes a number to the door wearing a visor. What is a visor? It is a helmet, a cap, okay? Because it is a sunny day outside, so divisor comes, knocks at the door, okay? To divide this number, this large number 24, that is the dividend. So what is the divisor? It is the number who is at the door with the visor, a cap. A cap we will denote like here by this sign, and it is going to divide 24. This number is going to divide 24, that is 24 is the dividend. Okay? Then when we do the division, 6 4 are 24 and we put a 0 below. That is the remainder. Okay, that means we write the answer at the top. And when we solve the division problem, we feel like we are a king or a queen. So a queen wears a crown. Okay, so quotient we denote by a queen. Okay, Q means quotient that you write above. A queen is always at the top, right? So in this way you are going to write the division. Let me get it again. 24 was the dividend, that is the number that lives in the den, because we divide the number in the den. Then comes the visor. What was the visor? 6. Divisor was 6 and 6 4 are 24. 24 minus 24, we are going to subtract these two, we get 0. So dividend is here that lives in the den. There is a large den and the large number sits in the den, and the visor always comes with the helmet with the visor, and it divides the number that is in the den. So when we get the answer, that is our quotient. What is quotient? It is the answer we are obtaining when we solve the division problem. Okay, we write it on the top. That is, the queen is in the attic. Okay, the queen is always the top of all, so we write it above the dividend. Okay, so this is, you are going to frame the story, you are going to make a mind movie, how we write, where we write our dividend, where we write our divisor, and where we write our quotient. So this is the basic division vocabulary you all are going to make and learn. So we can show this strategy in the form of dividend is 24, divisor was 6, and it gave us the quotient of 4. This is another way. Okay, this is second way how we showed it, and third way of showing it is dividend divided by divisor 6 is equal to 4. This is dividend, 6 is divisor, 4 is quotient. So 3 ways we learned today. First way, second, and third of division vocabulary, how to depict division. So this was all for today. Do this activity neatly in your notebook. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz to you all.